My name is Corey LaVillette. I'm taking the HVAC sheet metal fabrication course here at NBCC. I've been always good with working with my hands, building different things and putting stuff together and tearing things apart. So it was more of the hands-on side of it that made me really interested in taking this course. My favorite thing that we've done so far would have to be this duct line because it shows you more of the on-the-job, out on the field installation part of it.
With this trade, there's a lot of hand skills, and it's just perfecting the hand skills that can kind of be tricky. Once you get them, it's a walk in the park. Right now, this trade's in high demand. They're looking for workers. If you're someone who likes to work with your hands, likes to stay moving, this is definitely a trade for you.
I'm Thomas Godine. I own TG Ventilation Solutions in Fredericton. The ventilation trade has changed a lot over the last 10 to 20 years. Ventilation is very critical in buildings where before you used to just open a window and that's the way you went. Ventilation systems are complex. Right now it's always hard to find qualified employees in the sheet metal trade. There just doesn't seem to be enough coming through. I keep close ties with the school. All my employees come from the school. They do an excellent job. Without that school, there wouldn't be the products put into buildings there is today.
There's quite a bit to the trade as far as the layout skills involved. There's a lot of different techniques and methods to go about that, and it's not one task, same task every day. There's quite a broad spectrum of things that you actually have to learn. I took pre-employment in 2001, really enjoyed the course, really liked it, and then going down from my blocks, always had a good time down there. Really enjoyed the course, got a lot out of it, and met a lot of good people and great instructors, and really glad I took it.
All the instructors are great. They'll take the time they need to explain everything to you, and they show you step by step how to get through things, and they bring you through everything one at a time, so they're helpful, really helpful. I'm really glad I got in. I chose NBCC because of the good reviews I've heard from my friends and family who have come here before, and they all had great experiences, so I thought I'd try it out. You can go work industrial, commercial, you can go work residential, installing things in homes, and there's really a lot of different choices when it comes to jobs, so it's a big bonus for that.